okay, your pants are already wet anyway.
I know.
Matt.
Get in. Get in.
No, wait, don't push me in by myself. Wait. Somebody get in. Okay, I'm in.
Get in.
Get in, freaking.
You got your camera right there.
It's rolling.
Oh, no. Okay, what do we do? You're doing fine. Okay. Widen your feet.
Thanks for the shot, Amy.
Widen my feet. Widen your feet. Do I keep going on this side or the other side?
Yes.
You push, I will steer. Yeah, you do whatever side. Just stay one side and let Amy drive.
See you next week.
We'll give them 5 minutes before they go from the water.
And that's why I wouldn't get in the boat with Amy.
The first year we did this, Nick, was
My battery's dying, so if you're going to roll it, please do it soon.
Amy and I, we were here, and Nick stood up and flipped us.
I remember that.
And he didn't even mean to.
Well, he was sitting on top of this thing.
Well, tell Kathy to
way
sit
up high. It was like, dude, you gotta get your foot down. And he was like, oh.
Yeah, for sure it'll flip.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Bye!
Doesn't Amy have her phone and her camera in her pocket?
Yeah. I don't think she usually put it over there.
I think she's thinking it's worth it.
Don't hit the dock.
Right foot steering. I'm steering the boat. Steering it? I'm steering it. Whip it. Hi, ladies. What's up? This is the SS Wet Pants.